I've been working at my desk this morning with this queen shipping box sitting next to me. It's a box that's capable of shipping up to 200 queens through the mail or UPS or FedEx or whatever. And this box has about 20 or 25 queens in it. And there's a couple queens in there that have been piping back and forth to each other, and it's been kind of fun to listen to. It dawned on me that some brand new beekeepers may have never heard this sound and might like to hear it. It's a sound that the queens make by vibrating their wings to let the other queens know where they're at so they can find each other and do battle. It's been kind of fun to listen to them. I'm going to put the camera microphone right up close to the box and see if I can capture this sound. I'm sure they'd love to get at each other.